Diego for what they say is long-standing neglect of flood channels and creeks running through the southeastern parts of San Diego.
It's basically joining forces so that you can go after a larger corporation or entity, and that puts more pressure on them.
So what is a class action lawsuit and how does it work? David Aragon with Bankers Hill Law Firm.
In my experience is the person comes in, and at that point you believe it's only one plaintiff for that particular case. And then it turns out there's other people that have been affected by the same issues. And that's when you start getting into this larger group. However, the first person that came in, it's very typical that it's going to be the class representative.
He says it starts with one, the class representative, and then other victims can join the class.
What I imagine is going to happen is all of these homeowners are going to get together. They're probably already hired a law firm. And what they're going to try to do is start giving notice to all these class members.
But he says there are pros and cons of being a part of a class action.
While in the class, the attorneys and the parties need to give notice to all of these class members, and they got to give them the option to opt out of the class action. What that does is maybe, yes, your issues are very similar. However, maybe your damages are a little bit more or higher than expected with the class.
He says in that case, you could see more lawsuits outside of the class.